When you first open the box, you will find the scooter with a wire that connects to the handlebar and throttle, the front wheel assembly, the stem tube, and a kit that includes owner's manual, battery charger, handlebar clamp, and tools necessary for assembly. Before assembling your RF-200, make sure the scooter is in the off position. Begin by removing the 2 bolts on the fork. Set them aside as these will be used in the next step of the assembly. Next, align the holes on the fork with the holes on the front wheel assembly. With the holes aligned, insert the larger bolts. On the opposite side of the scooter, insert the threaded bolts and hand tighten. Then, use the 2 included hex wrenches and tighten both bolts evenly and securely. To install the stem tube, press the push button at the top of the fork and lower the stem tube down. It is important to confirm that the push button locks in the locking hole. Then, secure the stem tube by tightening the 2 bolts with the 5mm hex wrench and the 10mm wrench. Finally, line up the lines on the handlebar with the lines at the top of the stem tube and install the handlebar clamp with the 2 bolts included. Begin by hand tightening the 2 bolts. Finally, use the 5mm hex wrench and 10mm wrench to finish tightening both bolts. It is important to confirm that the handlebar is centered by checking if there is an equal amount of stripes visible on both sides of the clamp. There are 2 plastic clips on the throttle cable. These should be inserted into the 2 holes on the stem tube to ensure the throttle cable is tight. Your RF-200 is now fully assembled and ready to ride.